greetings all our existing as well as our new followers of Maple International Education. And today we come up with another insightful discussion that will give you a better idea of what it means to study in one of the best institutions in Canada. And today we have the absolute pleasure of having with ourselves Garima Narayan ma'am representing Lakehead University. So once again, welcome to have you with ourselves, Garima ma'am.
Thank you so much for such a warm welcome. I think it's always a pleasure to visit Maple Education. We've been working with Maple Education for quite some time now. And I must say the team led by Mr. Ishwar is well versed not only with Lakehead as an institution, but when we look at Canada as a destination, I think students walking into Maple Education knows what they are sort of getting about Canada as a country and the services. I must say that the team is very professional, well versed with the process. So again, I'm very happy to be back here in Kathmandu and at Maple's office today.
Once again, our honor. So my own research tells me that Lakehead is a university that I myself would have a complete honor of enrolling in. But I'd like to hear from you. What can it make it an ideal choice for students who want to enroll in it?
Wonderful. That's certainly a very good question, and I think it's very important for students to be well educated and informed about the institution, because choosing not only a destination but an institution is a vital decision in their in their career. So talking about Lakehead in particular, we are a leading research university with almost 100 years old of existence. Well, engineering and science has always been a forte. We are among the top 10 universities in Canada, top 2 in Ontario, and number 1 for undergraduate research. We have almost 56 undergraduate programs, about 30 masters and 7 PhD programs. The good thing is that for us, we are a very non-commercial institution. So for us, every student is very important, whether they're coming from Nepal or elsewhere from the world. We ensure that they get the first-hand support not only from us, because we are on the ground, but the team in Canada also. So it's like a small community helping students to excel not only in education but career-wise also. And I must say that we also have some encouraging scholarships for undergraduate students that ranges between $6,000 to $10,000 per annum. But then that is only for academically driven students. So students with more than 75% or an equivalent GPA in their grade 12 can certainly be accepted for the scholarship. Yeah.
So if you were to come across students who want to enroll in Lakehead University, which programs and courses are you most likely to suggest them?
Well, as I said, that we have a broad area of programs. There are about 9 different faculties, right? And Lakehead is an ideal choice for students if they want to study a management program at an undergraduate or a master's. Well, our business program has been recognized by AACSB. To tell you that only 6% of the schools worldwide have that international accreditation. So which means that you are making, again, a great value to your degree or to your credential. Then coming about engineering, again, we have a very strong portfolio of engineering. So from mechanical to chemical to electrical and computer engineering and civil. So, that's again a good program to explore. Computer science is always popular, both at bachelor's and master's level. Forestry related program, be it environmental sustainability, environmental science, forest management, forestry. Well, Lakehead is among the top 2 universities in Canada to be a real spot for forest management and related programs. That again could be a good choice. Not to miss humanities. That again has a very a great number of courses. So I think it's important. I would rather say that Lakehead is a place for anyone and everyone if they have a right intention and if they have the right credentials and right interest. Then I think Lakehead is certainly a welcoming university. And with Maple, of course, the association is so strong, so we always see that the students who are coming to Maple gets the right information about the university, and its offering makes it, a good deal not only for the students but for us as well as for the consultants.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your powerful answers and ideas, which I'm definitely sure will benefit all of the students applying for Lakehead. And just like that, once again, you've heard from the best. You think of greatness, you think of Canada, you think of Canada, you think of Lakehead. Keep tuning in.